Hi, I'm Ainsley Mouche. I'm a licensed cosmetologist at Salon 27. Today I'm going to show you how to treat damaged hair from a flat iron. Be sure to wet the hair completely. Then we're going to add a moisturizing shampoo. Be sure to scrub in all over the hair. Rinse that out thoroughly. And then we're going to add the K-Pack moisture, mostly concentrating on the ends. And then we will place her under the dryer for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse it out in style as usual. There you have it. I'm Ainsley Mouche, and I just showed you how to treat hair damage from a flat iron.